Workload groups. Individual workloads represent tickets which we will schedule later. We schedule them last after defining classes, teachers, and other objects. Click the Workload Groups button. Select the appropriate class and click Add Item. Double-click on the menu to select a group. We can specify a subject by selecting it from the menu, or we can enter a part of the abbreviation or name in the editing line. That reduces the offer in the menu, and we can select the relevant subject using the mouse or keyboard. In the same way, we will also select teachers. Appropriate and unacceptable rooms are defined by default according to the selected subject. However, we can change them for every single workload. If we have more than one cycle defined, we defined the connection of the workload to the cycle. We have three options. The first option, weekly, means that the workload will be set on the same day and hour in each cycle. The second option, only in the selected cycle, means that the workloads are taught only in the selected cycles. If we schedule them in the timetable, they will always be set on the same day and hour in these cycles. The last option is freely in selected cycles. In this case, we can schedule the lessons arbitrarily to the selected cycles, for example, 3 lessons to the odd and 1 lesson to the even week. Finally, enter the number of lessons to the given workload. If the cycle is defined freely in selected cycles, enter the sum of the lessons of all the cycles. Otherwise, we enter the number of lessons per week. When scheduling new workloads, we can use a copy of the existing workloads. Go to the appropriate workload and click the Add Item button. A copy of the current workload will be made, and we will modify that as needed. Workloads can also be joined. By joining a workload, we understand joining multiple groups of the same subject, teacher, and the number of lessons from different classes. For example, an optional seminar that can be selected by pupils of all grades of the given year. We go to the workload which we want to join. Click the Join Workload Groups button and select the workloads which will be taught together. The joints are displayed by enumerating the classes in that row. We can disjoin the joined workloads by using the Disjoin Workload Groups button. By setting the filter, we can edit the set of the displayed classes in the menu.